Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So, another goodie came in the mail. Yay. Got my trusty knife. I've just given up saying that I'm going to open this bad boy beforehand. I forget every single time. So, this is going to be another foray into my Chanel Chronicles. Alrighty, so let's see what we have here. Yeah, y'all, I'm still doing the gift packaging with the real. Oh, look, the little thing has changed. It's now white instead of black. Alrighty, let's see what we have here. Yep, one item. Look how cute. This, let's see, I'll put this over here. Look how cute. Aw, this will be used in one of my purses. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. I really like how they use the sleeve. That, and let's see. Oh, there we go. And that, yes it is. As you can probably tell, it is a belt. Oops. Put that here. Yes. Oh, it looks even nicer than I thought. Here. Put that there. Put that out of the way. Here she is. It is a Chanel belt. It's a vintage one. Vintage Chanel belt. Now, I'm gonna do the, will it fit? Ooh, this is a 95. I thought it was a 100. It's from 2002. So, already now, y'all. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, ain't nothing happening here. Oh, it does not fit. Oh, do you see? This isn't supposed to close, but this is definitely supposed to go over. And it does not. I thought it would be a good cinching belt, but it's smaller than I thought it would be. Yeah. I have a 100 and a 105 at home. But this belt is actually really pretty. But it does not fit, so it has to go back. Oh, bummer. But let me, just in case if you're interested in the future of maybe grabbing this belt for yourself, hopefully this is coming through. So there's a little Chanel there. And then some of the detail, Chanel emblem at these different points. Oh no, it's just here. Chanel's there. And let me see if this pulls out. So if so, that means, oh, it does, y'all. Look at that. You have two belts here. I did not know this. It pulls out, and you can just use this as a regular belt. Look at that. Oh, too bad that doesn't go around my belly. Ooh, it sure does not. Even through the smallest part. Well, yeah, but barely. It doesn't go enough for me to actually use it. Oh, I like that. So it's actually two belts. You can use it separately, just a nice thin belt, or you just slip it into these little holes here and use it as, a wide belt to cinch. Boop! But I ain't cinching nothing here because it doesn't fit. Oh, but this is nice. Oh yeah, this is nice. Here's the interior. And obviously, someone's worn it before, so you can see that. But It's a size right here. See, O2A. Hopefully that comes through. Let me come around and see if this will, I can always come in closer. So I can never tell, so okay. Let's see, where is this gonna come in? Right here? There we go. You see where it says, oh, you're not gonna focus on me, huh? Oh, you're not gonna focus? Well, it does say 2A there. So from 2002, so people can get a closer eye on the detail here. Gosh, one of these days, let me quit saying that. You see this? Oh. Gosh. This just does not, oh, there it is. There you go. You can see some of the detail there. And then the quality of the leather. Still very hard to see, isn't it? But it's beautiful. It is definitely beautiful. Too bad it doesn't fit. Does not fit. Okay, so let me go ahead and feed this back in. See if it's as easy to put it back in. Yeah. And you just slide in slot there. Right back in. Oh, I like that. Oh, yes. Feed it right on up in there. See here. Bam. And there you go. Oh, I wanted this to fit too. Like putting it around my waist again is going to change the fact that it doesn't fit. Ugh. But it should close like so. So it has these, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, and someone's added 2 additional holes. So someone had a really, really small waist. So the furthest it'll go over is this last one here. So I'll show you what it looks like. Obviously not on me, but there we go. So when it's on, it would look something like that, which would be really cute. It would actually go on my waist. But that's the furthest. Then you can always tighten some. Have it going this way. There we go. That's another way. But unfortunately, this will be going back. It's not for me. Could be for you though. So keep an eye out on the Real website. I am mailing this back this weekend, y'all. It's a total bummer, but you know, not everything. That's why you have to order, try it on. That's why you always pick items that you can return, because the Real World offers some steeply, both work, discounted pieces on their website, but after a certain discount point, they don't accept returns. It's something called their Real Big Sale. And if you buy something that's on the Real Big Sale, it's usually, 50% off, 60, 70% off, but you can't return it. So if for some reason it doesn't work out, you cannot return it for a refund. Of course, you can always consign it with them, but if it doesn't fit, I just want my money back. So that's why I just pick things like this that I can try on, see if it fits, and if not, go back to their website, submit my return request, and send this bad boy on back home. So, back it goes. Right here. Like I said, I don't need to wrap it, but nice way just to keep it together. There we go. There we go. That's it. Didn't work. Yeah, that's it. So this is just a quick video. And if you have any videos you would like me to do, rather than an unboxing or whatever else I put up on this channel, just let me know. This is just fun. I enjoy doing it. I like talking about everything that has to do with luxury, contemporary designers, whether it's shopping, whether it's my personal, collection of shoes, jewelry, bags, of course. So yeah, let me know if whatever you're interested in me filming, or anything you're interested in hearing my 2 thoughts, 2 pennies, what is that called? 2 cents, y'all. As Chuck Woolery we used to do. All right, y'all. It's after a long day of work. Let me just go on and get off this thing. As always, I hope everyone's having a great day. Until next time, bye.